Hello kids! Today we will learn about the short vowel A sound words. This is based on the CVC pattern. The sound of letter A is pronounced as A. Now here we will check out the three-letter words formed with the vowel A, and I'll be showing you the words along with the pictures. Now let's get started. The first one is ab words. K, ab, cab. K, ab, cab. D, ab, dab. D, ab, dab. G, ab, gab. G, ab, gab. J, ab, jab. J, ab, jab. L, ab, lab. L, ab, lab. N, ab, nab. N, ab, nab. T, ab, tab. T, ab, tab. Now let's check out the ab words we have learned.
K, ab, cab. D, ab, dab. G, ab, gab. J, ab, jab. L, ab, lab. N, ab, nab. T, ab, tab.
Next is add words. B, add, bad. B, add, bad. D, add, dad. D, add, dad. F, add, fad. F, add, fad. H, add, had. H, add, had. L, add, lad. L, add, lad. P, add, pad. P, add, pad. S, add, sad. S, add, sad. Now let's check out the add words we have learned.
B, add, bad. D, add, dad. F, add, fad. H, add, had. L, add, lad. P, add, pad. S, add, sad.
The next one is am words. D, am, dam. D, am, dam. H, am, ham. H, am, ham. J, am, jam. J, am, jam. R, am, ram. R, am, ram. Y, am, yam. Y, am, yam. Now let's check out the am words we have learned.
D, am, dam. H, am, ham. J, am, jam. R, am, ram. Y, am, yam.
The next one is an words. K, an, can. an, can. An, fan. An, fan. An, man. An, man. An, pan. An, pan. An, ran. An, ran. An, van. An, van. Now let's check out the "and" words we have learned.
And can. And fan. And man. And ban. And ran. And van.
The next one is "app" words. Ab, cab. Ab, cab. Ab, gap. Ab, gap. Ab, lap. Ab, lap. Ab, map. Ab, map. Ab, nap. Ab, nap. Ab, tap. Ab, tap. Now let's check out the "app" words we have learned.
Ab, cap. Ab, gap. Ab, lap. Ab, map. Ab, nap. Ab, tap.
The next one is "at" words. At, bat. At, bat. At, cat. At, cat. At, fat. At, fat. At, hat. At, hat. At, mat. At, mat. At, rat. At, rat. At, sat. At, sat. Now let's check out the "at" words we have learned.
At, bat. At, cat. At, fat. At, hat. At, mat. At, rat. At, sat.
So I hope you enjoyed learning about the short vowel A sound words.
So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.